it's Sandra, and this live video is part of my series of Ask Me Anything. So I do this like Q&A. I receive questions and answer them in short videos. So that's what this is part of if you haven't seen me before doing these. So today's question is actually a series of questions, and it's kind of a group that I get quite often and just got asked again this week to talk about. And it is questions like, I can't do this, or I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I have this list of marketing activities and I just really don't know how to do any of them. Don't know how to post or don't know how to use a tool. And even the question of like, I hate tech and I really don't want to figure these things out is sort of part of this same grouping. So let me let you know that if you do want to submit other questions, by the way, just put them in the link, the comments below, and I'll address them in another video. But the answer today is in a couple of parts, right? The first answer is actually, you shouldn't be doing it all. So really, we're not all great at everything, right? We come into our businesses with a particular skill set, which is our abilities to do things, our education, our levels of experience, and also just our natural personalities, what we're interested in, what we like. And we're just not going to be good at everything. I mean, not everybody is going to be a wonderful copywriter. Not everybody is going to be wonderful at, the graphics that we need to use these days in our posts. So we can't really expect ourselves to be doing everything. Now, the longer answer is that it is kind of, at least for me and, for other people who are interested in marketing, it is a really fun thing to learn things that you don't know, right? It keeps things changing and growing as you go through your business. And I do enjoy like learning a little bit about things that maybe aren't my sweet spot. But you do need to know a little bit about things that, that are part of your business, whether you're going to like them in the short run and whether you're even going to continue doing them in the long run. You need to learn these things so that you can ask the right questions, so that you can hire the right people, so that you know when things are being done well and you're getting a good job out of the people that you're working with. So there is value in learning a bit just to learn. The other reason, though, is to not learn these things, right? To learn just enough to be able to hire the right people and work with the right people. So the ways that you can do this, of course, are to actually, hire a vendor, an outside source, a staff person. So hiring someone to do the parts of things that you, are not good at or don't have the time to do, or are things that you don't want to learn. But another way, which is a way that I like to work, is through collaboration. And that's what this whole space is about, right? I mean, social media in all realms and networking in every capacity is about connecting with people in order to be able to help and support each other and serve customers in a better way than we might be able to do just individually ourselves or individually from our, as our companies. So collaboration is really what I wanted to address here, because I think that's really the key to the answer. So there are lots of ways to be able to collaborate online these days, right? You've got groups online. I myself have a group on Facebook. There are groups in every platform that you can use there where people are there to help each other. There are also activities like challenges, group mentoring, masterminds. These are groups where people of a generally like mind are collecting to, collaborate and help each other. So you might be able to get answers to the questions without necessarily having someone else do that for you. And then, of course, there's training that's available, right? There's free training in a lot of groups, which I do in my groups. And I also have a YouTube channel. YouTube gets a rap over, you can just link to it like a Google kind of thing. You have to be careful what kind of information you seek, and you have to make sure that the people that you are following and getting answers from are trustworthy. But there is value in being able to find some answers there to at least give you that first rung of information and knowledge that you need in order to get your answers. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, and make sure that there's people around to help you at all different levels. But I think that the key to doing value is in community, is in collaborating with people and working in your different communities. You'll be able to find your answers and you'll be able to find the help that you need. So you just have to reach out. Now, if you want to reach out to me, there are great ways and easy ways to be able to do that. You can just message me here. I also offer an action plan call where we can, talk about your specific solution and give you some ideas. I can give you the right direction where you need to point. Whether or not you choose to work with me at all is not a big deal. Those action plan calls are for anybody, so you can reach out to there. I also have, as I mentioned, a free Facebook group, which I'll put the links down below. and also the YouTube channel. So please reach out. Anything marketing, anything, digital business. If I don't know the answer, I will find that answer for you, because I am definitely, a one-stop place for you to be able to figure out and get out of those, marketing situations when you're stuck. So have a great day, everybody. Thanks for participating in this Ask Me Anything, and make sure to drop your questions below for next time. Have a good one.